Today we'll be talking about the objectives and scope of Solas chapter 15. We'll be describing the type of ships and operation to which it applies, and then also we'll be defining the term industrial personnel as per the code. Also, we'll be discussing the safety measures and certificate requirements for ship carrying industrial personnel under the Solar chapter 15. Now we'll be looking at the IP code or the industrial personnel code, which has come into force since 1st July 2024. It is applicable to cargo ships which are above 500 gross tonnage, also the speed crafts, and which are carrying more than 12 industrial personnel. So, this is also something similar to you carrying the riders who are usually coming on board, and also they are sailing along with you. Also, you will find certain technicians or certain specialized personnel who need to sail with the vessel. You might have experienced the same during the BWTS installations, or maybe some other repair activities on board or installation, which where the personnel needs to be on board during a voyage. So, if there are more than 12 personnel, 12 such personnel, and the vessel being 500 gross tonnage and above, then the vessel needs to have this particular certification, right? Now, coming to the definition of the industrial personnel, industrial personnel are defined as person transported or accommodated on board for the purpose of offshore industrial activities performed on board other ships or offshore facilities. Applicability, like we have already discussed, a high speed craft or a cargo ship more than 500 gross tonnage and which carry more than 12 industrial personnel, this code is applicable. Okay, there's a structure to the IP code. Part 1 is general, part 2 is goals and functional requirements, part 3 is regulation, part 4 is regulation with respect to chapter 1, part 5 is regulation with respect to chapter 10. The goal based approach, there are 9 elements to it. The first one is the industrial personnel's medical as well as capabilities. 2 is safety of transfer of personnel. 3 is subdivision and stability. 4th is machinery installation. 5th is electrical installation. 6th is firefighting, fire safety. Sixth is periodical attendance of unmanned machinery spaces. Seventh is fire safety. Eighth is life-saving appliances and arrangement. And ninth is dangerous goods. The reliance upon a goal-based approach for IP code serves to provide an achievable and verifiable standard irrespective of ship design technology, while also being specific enough to avoid differing opinions on these standards. Earlier, there was a SPS code, that is special purpose ship code, and we have migrated to the IP code. Okay, what is the definition of new ships as per the code? Any ship constructed on or after 1st July 2024, cargo ship or high speed craft, more than 500 gross tonnage, and the number of special personnel exceeds 12. Such ships plan to be in compliance with the chapter 15 and the IP code. Compliance will be documented by issuance of an Industrial Personal Safety Certificate (IPSC), Industrial Person Safety Certificate, and accompanying record of equipment (Form IP). Right? For the existing ships, have been ships have been authorized by their flag administration to carry industrial personnel before the entry into force of IP code on 1st July 2024. A grace period will be given before selected regulation in the IP code enter into force for these ships. Existing ships may continue to carry industrial personnel if following provision have been met. Okay, the compliance will be documented by issuance of industrial person safety certificate and accompanying with Form IP.